Good afternoon, everyone. So we are the Group 7 and we will be discussing the Google Suites. But before that, let us energize ourselves. So let's start. Kaya tumawa ka, ha ha. Kung ikaw ay masaya, tumawa ka, ha ha. Kung ikaw ay masaya, buhay ay sisigla. Kung ikaw ay masaya, tumawa ka, ha ha. Ikaw ay masaya, kung ikaw masaya,
Palakpak.
ha ha. Kung ikaw ay masaya, buhay mo ay sisigla. Kung ikaw ay masaya, tumalakpak. So that will be all. So let us start for our discussions, which is the Google Suites. So for today, we'll be discussing about the Google Suites. So when you say Google Suites, it is the workspace formerly called G Suites. It is a collection of cloud mapping, productivity, and production tools, software and products developed and marked by Google. So when you say Google Suites, mao ni siya ang mga workspace nga gibuhat ni Google. And it includes 9 different types of apps, which is the Google Docs, Google Drive, Google Maps, Google Forms, Classroom, Spreadsheets, Slides, Mail, and Meet. And napasilain guys, pero right now ang atong gi-focus is ang workspace. So first, we have the Google Docs. It is a complementary internet-based application in which documents and spreadsheets can be created, edited, and stored on Google Drive, which is a cloud service featured by Google. So, ang Google Docs, guys, kay same siya sa Microsoft Word. Pero, using Google Docs, makakuan ka, like, maka-access ka and maka-edit ka together with someone at the same time. So, when you see Google Docs, it is an online word processor that lets you create and format documents and work with other people. So, the next one is the So, I'm gonna show a example for Google Docs. So, as you can see, ang format sa Google Docs, same gid siya sa Microsoft Word. So, now let's proceed to the next workspace, which is the Google Drive. So,
Google Drive. Google Drive is a cloud storage service that enable users to store and access online files. The service is stored. So, ang Google Drive, guys, is kanang dira mo makastore og mga photos, mga documents, mga files. So, ang nakalindot po daning ang aning Google Drive is na siya kanang accessibility na pwede nimo siya i-open bisan asa as long as wala kay wifi o device. Ma-open nimo siya sa bisan asa sa including phone, laptop, and other devices. And napud siya kanang collaborator na pwede nimo siya, example na may presentation, you can use Google Drive para mag-send ra kag kuan kanang link or invitation para sa mga groupmates so that they can edit your presentation. And napud siya kanang feature na kanang 15 GB storage, free storage na siya guys. So you can use it para maka-store ng mga photos, files, and other dayon if mapuno na po din yung inyong 15 GB storage, pwede mo purchase so madugagan ang inyong storage. So
Okay, so let's proceed to the Google Maps. Google Maps is a web-based service by Google that provides detailed maps, navigation, and real-time updates for driving, walking, cycling, and transit. It includes features like Street View, satellite imagery, live traffic data, and business information, making it an essential tool for travel and exploration. So mao ni siya ang example sa Google Maps. Ay, by the way, mao ni siya ang logo. And mo ni sa example. Makatabang ni si sa ato if labo na mag-drive ta, kuan ka nang wala ta kabalo asa atong kuan atuon nga na. So pwede ra nimo ma-search. That's all.
Okay, Google Forms. Google Forms is a free online tool offered by Google that is used to create documents, surveys, quizzes, and other web forms. For example, for that is di ba, kailangan niyo mag-survey sa lain survey sa lain tao, then kani inyong gamiton. For example, namoy research defend. So, kailangan niyo mag-survey sa lain tao. So, gamiton niyo ang Google Forms. So, wala.
So the next one is Google Classroom. Google Classroom is a free educational platform that enables teachers to interact with students and share educational materials easily. Teachers can create classes and invite students to the platform, allowing for the simple sharing of assignments, grades, exams, and other materials. Google Classroom is an online learning platform developed by Google, designed to help teachers and students organize, collaborate, and manage educational tasks in a virtual or blended classroom. It is part of Google Workspace for education and integrates seamlessly with other Google tools like Google Docs, Drive, Gmail, and Google Meet. Here is the example of Google Classroom. But first, you need Gmail to access the Google Classroom and type the code of your class, and you can see the activities, quizzes, and assignments that the teacher gave to you, and you can answer it through Google Docs and Drive.
So, the next one is the Google Spreadsheets. Since ang isa na mga groupmates nga na-assign ani nga topic is dili siya kaani dari, so na lang, like nagngayo na lang niya og video para ma-explain niya ang iyang part. So, sa next na siya. Next clip.
A Google Spreadsheet is a web-based application offered by Google as part of its Google Workspace, or it allows users to create, edit, and collaborate on spreadsheet online. So Google Spreadsheet, also known Google Sheet for short, is an online tool for creating and managing spreadsheet. It allows real-time collaboration, automates calculation with formulas, and provide tools for data visualization like chart. And files are stored in Google Drive, easily shared, and can be accessed anywhere. So here are the example of Google Spreadsheet. So first, budget tracker track income and expenses using categories with formulas to calculate total. For example, equals sum B to B10 to sum up expenses in a column. Second, class schedule. Create a weekly timetable for subject with days and times. Grade calculator. Input grades and compute average automatically. For example, equals average C2 and C6 for computing grades in a row, and attendance. Lastly, tracker records daily attendance for a class or team with check boxes, survey result, collect and analyze responses from Google Forms directly in Sheet.
Okay, so let's proceed to the Google Slides.
So, Google Slide is a free cloud-based presentation tool that allows users to create and edit, share presentations.
Okay, so ang Google Slides is pareha siya sa Microsoft PowerPoint, pero mas accessible ni siya sa mga tao. Minsan ni siya, if for example if nakahimo nga presentation, pwede ka maka-andre. Siyempre, pareho ka sa Microsoft PowerPoint.
So now let's proceed to the Gmail. So when you say Gmail, it is a free web-based email service that provides user a 15 GB of storage for messages and the ability to search for a specific messages. So ang Gmail, guys, magamit niyo siya for sending some important files or confidential files na dili gyud ka ganahan malik sa lain nga person. Unlike sa Messenger, ang Gmail magamit ra gyud siya for important matters nga confidential gyud kaayo, and also sa Gmail maka-use ka ani nga app para like mag-send og mga files without ruining its quality and all. So next is the and as you can see sa kuan ako example here sa Google Mail, as you can see kuan gyud siya ang mga like pwede siya sa personal nga emails, and also promotions na gikan sa mga apps.
So the next one is Google Meet. Google Meet is a video conferencing service that enables you to join virtual meetings via audio, video chat, and screen sharing with up to 100 people with no time limits. So ang Google Meet day guys kay pwede mo diri mag-hangout sa mga friends like virtually lang, and also pwede mo diri pareha to sa pandemic tong mag-online classes lang.
Okay. So, Google Meet is a video communication service developed by Google. It is one of two apps that constitute the replacement of Google Hangouts, the other being Google Chat. So, ang Google Meet is pwede ninyo gamiton ni sa kanang important meeting or discussion na importante. If wala dili mo ka kita ay meet in person.
So that's
That's
all
all.
guys, and we hope na naka-learn and nakasabot na gyud mo sa among discussion. So bye-bye.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and follow.